India recently discussed the implementation of the BioE3 policy to foster high-performance biomanufacturing. Why is this policy important for India's bioeconomy and the SDGs?
Biotechnology for economy, environment, and employment, which makes a real shift in how India's approaches for manufacturing. It is moving away from the traditional and the chemical routes towards more cleaner and nature-inspired biomanufacturing, where we use microbes, enzymes, and biological drivers to make what our industry needs. What makes it significant is how closely we align this with our national priorities. It supports net zero goals. It brings down carbon footprint across energy, industry, and agriculture. All these efforts will accelerate green growth and makes us self-reliant.
How can bio-based solutions practically replace fossil fuel processes in key sectors?
Nature has spent billions of years perfecting the biological process. Microbes can convert the waste biomass or the industrial waste into a bio-based product, which includes thus biofuel, biopolymer, special chemical, and clean energy. At TERI, we have developed microbial technology that help remediate the oil-contaminated soil, oil recovery processes, and also the sustainable waste management practice. So there are practical examples how biology can replace the resource-intensive processes. In essence, BioE3 is helping India move from linear buy, take, and dispose to circular economy, where the biological solutions can recycle, reuse for the effective biological processes.
How can India scale these bio-innovations from the lab to commercial markets? And how does this impact daily life or the environment?
The challenge is often not innovation, but scaling up. We need pilot plants, biomanufacturing units, industry partnership, and investors to willing support the transition of research to the commercial product. This is where the BioE3 makes a real difference. By supporting biofoundries, biomanufacturers, bio-AI units, industry collaboration, the policy creates a bridge between scientific invention and the market adaptation. The journey from microbes in laboratory flasks to a solution for the society is not easy, but it is possible.